Guys, I just saw Plucky the duck roasting the tomato. Emma, look. You look like a potato. You look like a red potato that is plastic. Ew, you smell really bad as well. Look at you. You have a tiny bit of hair. Now I'm bald. I like being bald. And I have orange. You don't. It's my turn to stand up. Hello, you yellow sun. You look like Pippi. And you know what? I've got hair. That means I am a good and lucky person. You are just a rubbish Pippi that looks really bad and ugly. I'm not ugly. You are. You're not that smooth. I am. Look at me. But I could get eaten. Well done. I'll eat you now.